Hello guys, so say hi to my new MacBook Air. It's a kind of old, but it's nice for me, work very nice, but the bad thing is that I got it yesterday and I decided to do install High Sierra 1013 .4 instead of 1013.1 because it has point 0.1 and some of the programs that I used doesn't work on this, so needs like 4 or higher. So I decided to update it, and I already have it on my baby laptop. I have it right here. Okay, I have all my Mac programs stored on my Asus laptop, so I decided to redo it. So the bad thing is I did it while I was completely lost. My mind was absent, as I told you in the previous video, and as you can see here, the results. So now I have no iOS to work on. The flash drive don't want to work correctly. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. I guess I'm gonna go back today to the shop to reinstall another one. They told me that you can install the what's called, oh my god, still my brain still like scrambled egg. It was Ventra. It's number 13. It's Ventra, so it's the add-on, and oh my god, no, oh my god, finally you guys, I can't believe it, I finally did this. It's 3 a.m. in the morning and I was recording the first part of the video. It was about like 2 or 3, it was about 3, so it's about 12 hours. I'm trying to fix it, but I did it finally. I'm so happy. So yeah, so that's why it's very important to not do anything important or need a big decision when you are not here, like absent. I have no clue why I did this. I'm paying the price, but in the same time actually I am learning something to like redo this thing all over because I need to upgrade my Mac Mini, so I guess that will help me in the future. So it's about like 24 hours of trying to fix this after I messed it up. Yesterday I was completely absent, still a bit, but today I'm way better. Have a little bit of focus and yeah, feeling better actually. Please, my cats. Yeah, it's like a very important thing not to take a decision or do anything stupid when you have no mind. That's a great lesson for me, but it's a great kind of, yay, hello, it's a great what is it called, lesson in practice when I update my mini Mac or Mac Mini. Still absent.